Well, we got another nice evening. Got a little bit of breeze. Comes and goes quite heavily. Thought I'd dig out my WREN 2. This was a quad 2.5 inch that I designed a few years ago. Mainly wanted it for indoor flying. That's why it's pretty clean. It's like my WREN 1, but using some little different props. These are the D63s, so they're a little louder because they got that blunt end on them. And it's using an iFlight little carbon fiber frame. And then on the front here I have my foliage deflector when I like to fly down into the flowers and so forth. And then on the back I embedded my mini lollipop into some TPU to kind of keep it out of trouble, because those rip out pretty easily. Anyway, going to be flying with the Tattoo 3S 850 and the go-to on my jello-free mount on the front. So, let's go for a ride.